All right, I've beaten everyone into work this morning. That means I can really focus. Why is my screen green and orange and purple? Updates. All right, I'm going to learn some now and then I'll learn some later on in the week.
Profiles in Safari. I can already easily organize my browsing content in Safari with bookmarks, bookmark folders, and tab groups, and now I can use profiles. I can create different profiles to personalize my searches. Click on Safari, Create Profile. Give your profile a name, select an icon, and a color. You can choose to add a bookmark folder you already have or create a new one. Select a web page or group of tabs you want to open when you select each profile. Now I can keep all the resources I need for school in one profile and my personal web pages on another. That way I can easily keep work and home items separate. Web apps in Safari. A super quick way that I can access websites I use often is through web apps in Safari. I can search for the web page I want and click on File, Add to Dock. The web page will be added like an app into my dock. I can then click on the app icon in my dock to access the web page content, but you can see it doesn't open in Safari, but like its own app. I can drag the web app from my dock to remove it. The web app will still be available in Launchpad. Sections in Reminders. A new feature in Reminders is creating sections within your reminder list. You have the ability to create a list of items and then add sections to group them into like areas, a much faster and clearer way to see your reminders. Click on plus in the top right to add a new reminder. Create your reminder list and click on the Add Sections button in the top right to create your list into group sections. Click and hold on any of your reminders in the list and drag them into the different sections to create your list into group sections. Widgets on the desktop. You can now add your most frequently used widgets onto the desktop to keep them in view and access them easier than just from the date and time in the top right. Add widgets to your desktop like your calendar or clock, or even 2 clocks, great if you work across time zones. And even add your screen time widget, allowing you to see how long you are spending in each app, as well as your productivity workflow, which can help you see if you need to set a focus to keep motivated and on task. You can change the way widgets display on your desktop in System Settings, Desktop and Dock, Widgets, and change the color from automatic, monochrome, and full color. Linking notes in Notes. Within a note, you now have the ability to link to other notes. This gives you a dynamic way to inform your research notes or bring greater context to meeting notes by linking to a note with an embedded PDF, which we can now also preview in Notes. Select the text you want to create a link with. Control plus click on the trackpad. Select Add Link and start to type in the title of the note you want to link to. Choose the note you want to link to. Notes will take care of the rest. Adding 3D objects into iWorks apps. In Pages, Numbers and Keynote, and even Freeform, you now have the ability to add in a USDZ file directly into the app, whilst previously you could only access these in Notes, AR Quick Look, and Reality Composer. You can choose to have the animation that comes with a 3D object turned on, or use the animation features inside Keynote to bring the 3D object to life if it doesn't come pre-rigged with an animation sequence.
Wow, that's really cool being able to add 3D objects into Pages, Numbers and Keynote. I can see that this is really going to help my students' learning.